Well, there's gonna be some trouble here tonight.
Skunk! Skunk! A skunk in the chicken coop! A skunk! A skunk in the chicken coop! You had better get out of there or Ranger will have to come talk to you.
You know how every once in a while you come across somebody that you shouldn't have messed with? Well, that's Ranger.
Don't you dare try to steal our eggs! Ranger isn't afraid of a stinky smell. Are you having a bad day? Well, you're about to. If you've got a problem with me, you've got a problem with Ranger. Ranger will bite your ears off and make them into stew. I could watch him walk by all day.
Foul beast.
That is the stinkiest stink that ever stunk. My nose can't take anymore. Ranger, you need a bath. I'll help. Good boy, Ranger. Good boy. Did you remember to like and subscribe? Click the link. Thank you, friend. We appreciate you.